What is going on, guys? All our reptiles here, and today we're going to be cleaning Inferno's enclosure. And obviously there's no heat lamp, there's no cork bark or anything. It is completely cleared out, or well, I mean, he's cleared out of here. We had been having a lot of bad happenings with ants in our house, and of course, because there is I have to feed these animals. They got to the tortoise, and then I'm like, okay, it's kind of annoying, but she will survive. She's fine. But of course, when they got to Inferno, I don't know how they were getting in, because you couldn't see them going in through the front. So somehow they're getting through the back, which I noticed. So it is right now pulled out of this definite gap. But we're going to clean it up and get him back in, because he is, well, upstairs in my room. Let me go show you. Alright, well, we are in a place where you really never get to see, obviously. I'm in the other corner of my room to Einstein, which is directly diagonally from me. But he is right here. He is not happy. Oh yeah, you're not happy. Because he doesn't want to be in here. This is a complete mock setup right now because, you know, ants were attacking his enclosure, and I had to get him out of there, and this is what I had for right now, but we're going to get him back in, and let's get some Eco-Earth dissolving, kind of. Let's get it some water. Alright, got the water, and no, this is not dirty water, it is just Eco-Earth water. Gonna move you for a second, get the old bricks in, and of course they're gonna float. Well, time-lapse time. as you can see, I have it fully cleaned out. Let's start putting the eco earth and cleaning the decor. Just start counting. I mean, honestly, I got a 1. Yeah, close enough. 2. How? Yeah, whatever. Apparently that got into it. And numero 3. This is about 3 bricks worth. Or no, it's closer to 4 bricks because I still had some from Athena's that I didn't use, and normally I like to use 4 bricks in this in these enclosures because they're obviously bigger and there's more surface area to cover, and I want it to be a good inch of bedding on it, and obviously there's still some parts in it that aren't fully moistened, so just throw some water on them. See, normally I would just dunk them in water and then let them soak it up, and then it can dry in the enclosure. But of course, this is a dry environment animal, so. And there's my phone. Thanks, Snapchat. But of course, that can't really happen. So this will be a lot chunkier than, let's say, Athena's, where she is a she's a moist environment animal, so she needs more humidity, where I can get the substrate a little bit wetter, but I can also dunk it back into the soil that is still damp, and then it will moisten over time, and it also dry over time. It's like I'm just breaking it up right now. Push it into this corner. Alright, honestly, the corner with the bedding, oh hello. The corner with the water dish doesn't have to be very high. It has to be able to cover it, kind of. Cover the bottom. And soak up any water that falls out, because he likes to, well, he doesn't like to spill his water, Athena does. She actually spilled it while I was cleaning this. Yep, her tail is still underneath it too. So we have all of this bedding to spread out. By the way, guys, there is two things going to be happening in the next, like, 3 weeks or so. Let's just say, it's going to be fun. Some new animals that I'm not going to tell anybody about, except my friends, but my friends, I would kill them. JK lol, hi YouTube. I will be very mad at them if they spoil anything. I haven't really told many of my friends because it's kind of a secret. But if you aren't already, subscribe. I probably shouldn't be wearing the sweatshirt, but we'll go with it. If you're not already, and don't forget to like the video, because yeah. Alright, well, let's get to cleaning the decor. Alright, one cleaning later, everything has dried off. I'm going to start adding the materials, of course. Gonna need the thing Infernos in, actually. And I need to get the water dish from outside. Yeah, we'll get that later, why not? Alright, we got 2 of the random objects. One of them actually, I can take these out. Yes, I don't like them. Cool, I can take out these little, like, plant things. They're kind of ugly, and I don't want him eating them because I know he will, because he has eaten some leaf decor I've put in here before. So we're just gonna take him out. Knowing him, he will eat it. But we're gonna add that in there, spread that around. You can't actually see that. Alright. This here too, that goes on top. Oh my goodness. Rock time. Alright. Shoot. I really need to take a picture of where these go because it's always different and then it's always like slightly off. No, wait, this one goes in the corner. No, wait. Yeah, sure, this one goes in the corner. Alright, well, is that all the rocks I have? Really? Sure, why not? Bury that one down a little bit more. Alright, next decor item. Okay, scooch. Alright, oh, I need some more bedding over here to prop it up. This is just a guessing game. Every time I do this, need some even more bedding over here. There we go. Alright. Also add a little bit more right there for some support. Shoot, it needs to be a lot closer. It needs to be like here. Which means then I can move this over here. And then I can move all the bedding over here and stack this up. And then I know exactly where I need to put all the bedding. Hit. Yeah. Kind of. Yeah, it's a little brick. Alright, that's sturdy. Shoot. Alright, well, let me go get Inferno. And I'll be right back. I have found the cave monster. Let's just say he's not happy. Huh? Look, your enclosure. It's back. Alright. There you go. You're gonna pull that off. We're gonna flip it around. No, you're gonna pull it off here too. This is the most awkward piece to put. I want to put it this way. My goodness, you really look at that. This has all been shredded up by him. You're a monster. Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to smack you. You wanna like get out of it? Alright, he is back in the enclosure. He is enthused but not enthused because he's a little cold because he's been out of his hotspot for a while. But all we have to do now is put the glass back in. And it's surprisingly not that dirty. So we're gonna put that in right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Now you can see the reflection. See? That's the window. That's my hand, and that's my hand. Wait. Handception? But this is the finished product of the cleaning of the enclosure. And why aren't you going in there, please? Thank you. This is the finished product, and let me fix the old stand really quickly. All right, there we go. This is the finished product. He is happy. Oh, he's wanting food because I haven't fed him today. But do you want some before they leave? Before the YouTubers leave? Do you want some? I think that's a yes from him. Alrighty, bud. Do you want some? Oh. He hasn't had UVB in a solid day or so, so he should perk up as soon as he is underneath that, because he looked very depressed when... You know one? Oh, that was my fingy. Ew. Their tongues are ridiculously sticky. And he looks a little dehydrated because there's a lot of saliva that is not just on his body. He wants more. Can you focus, camera? Focus on his face. There you go. Bring closer. No, still not going to focus. What if I zoom out? Focus on his face. There you go. There he is. Alright, well, that is going to do it for this video of All in Our Reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. And there is some big things happening in the future, which in like the next 3 weeks. So, now expecting videos on the enclosure build. Oh. Did I say something? I don't know. But I'm going to give him one more, and there you go. Oh, there you go. Alright, well, see you on the next video.